You know, having a backyard chicken flock is a fun activity for the entire family. But if you're a gardener, there's the added bonus because that manure is full of nitrogen and those eggshells, they're loaded with calcium. So in this video, I'll talk to you about how to compost that manure and then put it to work in the garden. And thanks to Exmark for sponsoring this video. For gardeners, chickens offer one of the best organic sources of all the essential nutrients required for ornamental and vegetable gardening success. And its value as an organic fertilizer and source of important nutrients has been known for centuries. In addition to being an excellent source of plant nutrients, poultry fertilizer can increase the soil's water infiltration rates by improving its structure. And on a short-term basis, poultry fertilizer can also increase the soil organic matter content. The added benefit of using composted chicken or poultry manure is that it usually includes the bedding material and other organic matter that's great for building up your compost pile, or once it's composted, you can add it directly to your beds. But collectively, you can think of chicken manure as a great slow-release organic nutrient source that's a fantastic soil amendment. And compared to other manures, chicken manure is higher in nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and calcium. Speaking of calcium, did you know that eggshells are roughly 40% calcium? It's the calcium-rich gift that just keeps on giving. But you don't have to have your own chickens to reap the benefits in your own garden, because calcium is an important mineral that all plants need to thrive. And even better, eggshells have other important nutrients such as magnesium, sulfur, and potassium. And if you really want to get the most bang for your buck, higher quality eggshells like those from organic free-range chickens are thicker and sturdier. Now, while all that may sound fantastic, and it is, the best way to put those eggshells to use quickly is to grind them up as fine as possible before adding them to your soil or compost. The nutrients in eggshells don't become available to plants until they're in a soluble form. So the smaller and finer you can make those pieces going in, the sooner they'll go to work for your soil and plants. And if you weren't convinced already that chickens offer important organic benefits to gardeners, here's one more. They're great at doing a lot of your pest control for you. They have voracious appetites for slugs, snails, and other pests, and they also provide outstanding tick and mosquito control. So what's not to love about that? So the bottom line is, if you have a garden and chickens, be sure to take advantage of that composted chicken manure and put it to work in your garden. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to click on the link below if you'd like access to more information from me and other trusted outdoor living, lawn and garden, cooking, and rural lifestyle experts.